Hi, Dr. Dance. Hope you're doing well. Do you have an idea what is the best remedy for bloating? My opinion of this has evolved. So, because of the phrasing of your question, I know that you want the answer that I would have given a year ago. So I'm going to give you that answer. Fennel seed, Fennell seed, is common household spice. You can put it in your mouth, chew it, swallow it, breaks up the gas. But this way, you'll pass gas. That way, bloating gone. Very nice. Yay! The other way, so that's the simplest remedy for bloating. But what's really going on? Like, why are you bloating? There's two reasons you're bloating. One, you're eating crap your body doesn't like. Or two, you're doing what I'm doing right now, sitting. You're doing too much of it. So if you just do like Taekwondo kicks, your bloating will be gone. It'll move your bowels around your abdomen so vigorously that you'll find yourself as you do these kicks, burping, passing gas, bloating gone. So as I've gotten into gymnastics, I am shocked at all the air coming out this end and that end. Yes, my tummy is flat. There's no room for bloating. So a lot of things are just our lifestyle that we just don't even realize it. And I would not have realized that if I hadn't embarked down this road and just kept going.